Hello, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Sadowski, and I'm back to talk to you about green transportation solutions once again. You started this article yesterday, and we read the first 3 pages of it. We talked about the introduction, we talked about green cars, and you looked at renewable fuels. Today, you will need to read the remainder of this article. So you're going to be reading about public transportation. Notice it continues for quite a while about our public transportation section. And then there's a section on Boulder, Colorado biped power. Biped meaning you're using your own body to make it happen. Bi refers to as in biological, something to do with human power. Okay? And then that will take us to the end of our green transportation solutions. Before you read this article, though, I want you to think about why an author would call this thing green transportation solution. When have you heard somebody talk about finding a solution before? It's probably at a time when you heard someone talking about a problem. In fact, when you're writing stories, you often are told to find the problem and then have a solution to that problem when you're doing a story. Same kind of thing goes here. This author decided to write this with an introduction that gave us the problem, and then all the other pages inside of this article are solutions to that problem. So today, your assignment is going to look like this, okay? So you'll notice, yes, of course, this is the video that you clicked on, and now we're here. This is the actual assignment page. It reminds you that we're using green transportation solutions and that we know that we have big problems with fossil fuels. They are running out and they're causing pollution. Your job is to go back to the section titled Renewable Fuels and look for examples of the problem and solution text structure and what solutions are offered in this section. So again, you're going to be reading the whole thing. So we put the whole thing in here, okay? And you're going to want the one that says renewable fuels. This was something that you did read yesterday, but notice we would like you to read the whole article first before doing the work. So once you've read through and you go back to that section, a solution is to start using blank and blank, and we're looking for the solution to fossil fuels are running out and they cause pollution. So again, your job is to type in here. So again, you'll delete this part, type your message right there, go in here, do your little part there. What is the pro? What is a positive thing to using these two things? And what's a con? What would be a negative consequence of using these two things? So we're looking at the good and the not so good, or the bad. At the bottom, you have those multiple choice questions, and it's really great like test taking type practice. So you're going to be looking at what text structure is used in the passage. Again, looking at for the text structure, and then giving a statement from the text, and you'll just drag your little circles and pick your answer choices, okay? So hopefully this one should go, fairly quickly for you. Again, we would like you to read the whole article, but you are going to be focused on renewable fuels for your job today. So make sure that you use the information from here when you're completing this chart. All right, boys and girls, have fun working on your benchmark.